BBC South Today, Fleet.
Now, from plagues to pandemics, Salisbury Cathedral has stood through them all. Last year, during the first lockdown, it marked its 800th anniversary, and chances are it'll still be standing beyond our lifetimes, assuming we can save the Earth first. Here's Alexis.
Whilst the world leaders meet at COP26 in Glasgow to talk about the future of our planet, here in Salisbury, artist Peter Walker is showing us the beauty of the galaxy and the planet, showing how fragile nature is and the impact that we have on it. Let's talk to Peter Walker, the artist. Now, Peter, tell me all about the Serum Lights.
Well, Serum Lights 2 is a production with my colleague David Harper from Lux Moralis, and we're going to take people on the outside of a cathedral to the edge of the universe and back in one night, and then when we go inside the cathedral, people are going to be experiencing an artistic version of 24 hours on Earth from sunrise to sunset.
And is this all related to COP26?
Well, the artwork's not designed exactly for that, but what the cathedral have worked with us so that we're actually staging it at this point in time, and people are aware of everything that's going on, and this work hopefully raises some questions about that.
Absolutely. Let's talk to the Dean of Salisbury Cathedral, Nick Papadopoulos. Now, Nick, obviously this is a very important day for you because you haven't had something like this for a long time.
We haven't. Serum Lights, our first production, took place nearly 2 years ago, and one or two things have happened since then, as we're all aware. So how wonderful that we can welcome people back tonight.
Let's talk about the walls, if they could talk, because obviously Salisbury's very old. 16th century revolution, 17th century we had the Civil War, and then the Industrial Revolution, and now the Green Revolution.
Well, if the walls could talk, I think they might say what Greta Thunberg has recently said, which is that if we're going to avert the climate crisis, we need to act now with courage and with faith.
Absolutely. Thank you both for joining us. Now, that certainly makes us think about the future of our planet. Back to you.
And if you want to go down to Salisbury and see that fantastic light show, it's on until this Saturday. Sport time now. Lewis is here. We're talking ice hockey and Basingstoke Bison.
Yeah, we've done a number of stories on
What a career.
Amazing,
some great films there. And that auction at Bellman's in West Sussex takes place next Tuesday. OK, weather next. We're going to start with some weather pictures. Nick Woolwork took this picture of his dog early this morning at Temple Island near Henley-on-Thames.
And there were some incredible sunny spells today in Salisbury. This picture captured by Merrin Woodland.
We saw Alexis in Salisbury earlier. As now the weather forecast for us.
Well, we certainly have had a lot of cloud to end the day. Let's take a look at the forecast for the next few days because it will be mild but fairly cloudy. Tomorrow we'll have large areas of cloud with some patchy light rain and drizzle from time to time, but also maybe one or two brighter spells, generally more cloud than sunshine. So the satellite picture shows an awful lot of cloud moving south and eastwards. It's a weather front. There will be some patchy light rain and drizzle. That's coming in from the northwest and will arrive tomorrow morning. Before it does arrive, overnight tonight we're looking at large areas of cloud, one or two clear spells and mild temperatures for the time of year, a low of 8 or 9 degrees. So the winds are fairly light tonight. We could see a lot of murky conditions, maybe some mist and fog in a few places. Today, tomorrow, large areas of cloud are expected in general, limited brightness, and where the cloud is quite thick, patchy light rain or drizzle is a possibility, the odd moderate burst of rain as well, with a high of 15 degrees. So once again, very mild for the time of year. Through the course of tomorrow night, it stays mild once again. Once again, we'll have some mist and fog patches develop during the early hours of Wednesday morning. And through the course of Thursday morning, in fact, we'll have temperatures drop away to around 8 or 9 degrees. Another mild night to come. Looking ahead to Thursday, Thursday's a mainly dry day. We'll have sunny spells developing after a very cloudy and foggy start in some areas. But once the sunshine does develop, temperatures will reach a high of around 13 or 14 Celsius. So yes, lots of cloud over the next few days, but we will see some sunshine as well. Looking ahead to the outlook for the rest of the week, well, as I said, a cloudy day with patchy rain tomorrow. Thursday's quite cloudy at first, but will brighten up with sunny spells through the afternoon. Friday will have windy conditions with some outbreaks of rain or showers, and over the weekend there's still some uncertainty about the forecast, but we will have a good deal of cloud and temperatures will be around average, if not just above average. So yes, lots of cloud and mild temperatures over the next few days.
Well, that is about it from us. Inspired by that Lewis Gilbert film, I think I'm going to dig out my DVD of Educating Rita.
Yeah, that sounds a good one. I like Alfie, but yeah, Educating Rita is a good one as well.
Yeah, all good choices. Thanks very much, Lewis. Thank you for your company. We'll be back with the late news at 10:25. From all the team here, good night.
Good night.